Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's the weekend, and I am super excited. It's my time to unwind and just relax. In today's video, by popular demand, I'll be making a delicious banana bread for breakfast. It's one of my girls' all-time favorites. But for now, I'm gonna soak up this sun and enjoy my coffee. For those of you who have seen my videos, I do not bake because directions, guys. I got a problem with that. You have to be so precise. But you know what? This is so simple. So if I can do this, you guys can do this. Here are your ingredients. I have 3 ripe bananas, large bananas. I have some cinnamon. Okay. I also have some vanilla extract. Now I don't have any walnuts. So I'm going to be using some crushed almond. The butter could be unsalted or salted. I have salt and I have some baking soda here. We also have some eggs. Now I'm going to be using brown sugar instead of granulated sugar, but that's up to you. The flour, I like to sieve my flour. I honestly don't know if it makes a difference, but I think it does in my mind. So I sifted my flour. So easy, my friends. Now I don't have any baking spray, so cooking spray will do. I have my baking pan and my whisk and a fork. You don't need much. And this is, I think, why I love this recipe so much. Come with me, my friends, and let me show you how easy this is. I'm going to start by using my fork and just mashing these bananas really well. Guys, I'm going to link my recipe with all the ingredients on my YouTube. Now you're going to need to melt your butter, and I'm using salted butter. You can use unsalted. Because this recipe has some salt, you should be okay. So go ahead and add your melted butter, and we're going to mix this nicely. I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla extract. Now this is coming along beautifully. I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 eggs, and I'm going to just scramble the eggs right inside this banana mixture I have here. We're almost done, my friends. I'm going to be adding the flour now and all the other ingredients. Now, this is a true story. My girls love a banana bread, but I think they like a banana cake, not a banana bread. And I say this because they like their banana bread on the sweet side and very moist. So I always make fun of them. I'm like, ladies, it's a banana bread. It's not a banana cake. So to make my long story short, I ended up taking this banana bread to the office. And when I tell you, my friends, it was a hit with my coworkers. It was a hit. There was not one piece left. Now this delicious banana bread is ready to go in the oven. I am going to be adding the crushed almonds on top because I don't have any walnuts. But I do tell you what, if you're going to do this recipe, get the walnuts, okay? And make sure that when you're mixing all your ingredients, you add your walnuts. It makes a difference. It is so delicious with the walnuts. Now, this is gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 minutes. Don't know about your stove, guys, but keep an eye on this. Now, look how beautiful this banana bread looks. It was so easy. And although it was not a hit with my girls, it was a hit with my co-workers. I am quite sure you guys will enjoy this as well. I don't know about you guys, but I like to have my banana bread on the warm side with some butter. So that's exactly what I am going to do. My friends, I sure hope you have enjoyed this short video. This is a great recipe to prepare for friends, whether it's a brunch or whether it's just for yourself. And in my case, I ended up, I keep saying this, bringing this banana bread to work. And I have to do another banana bread by popular demand for my co-workers. And as always, my friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Until next time, cheers.